Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be drawing two BFFs. Okay, and comment below what should I name them. So let's use my pen. I'm gonna draw their faces. Okay, so I'm gonna draw two girls. So I'm gonna use the other one. Oh, it looks like a robot. Okay, I think that no, it's like a robot. No, it's like a robot, guys. I am not a very good face drawer, but that's nice. Maybe. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the eyes is the same. Okay, big circle here, small here. Okay, this will take some time because it's really hard drawing with the pen. Okay, then maybe let's just do some. Okay, we'll do the other eye. Then small, big. Take some time. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe not. Even more, it's okay. I like that. More colors, okay. Then go. And then smile. A nice smile. Okay, now we're gonna do the. Now. Okay, now I will be doing her body. So like here. And then, so I'm doing it like easy one, or not so easy. Okay, so let me just, okay, maybe here. Okay, and then let's just go here, and then woo. Okay, and then let's just draw this like a bow. Nice. Okay, now go here like another pattern. Okay, so now let's do. Now I'm gonna just go here and just go here. Okay, now go here, here, okay, this is, okay, then come here, and go like this, and maybe she's wearing a short under. Okay, and last one. Okay, now let's do her hair. Maybe that. Then there's only that. Okay. Okay, here and then here. Okay, go here up. Okay, let's just start with this. Okay. Okay, I will just stop there because her hair will be coming, so I won't do it fully. And then maybe this cute bow. I mean not a bow, but a hairband. Nice. Okay, the reason why I'm not drawing this arm because they'll be holding each other like BFF. They hold each other's hand, right? So I'm gonna try to do that. Maybe okay. So. Okay, so small and big. This takes some time. So, and if I'm a bit slow, it's okay. You can just, forward the video. Okay, and then eyelashes. I'm not so good at eyelashes, but I know that you are good at it, so try to be more creative, kids. Can add more details if you want, or you can change the eyes. Okay. Oh, forgot one. Eyelashes. Oops. Phew. Okay, and then let's make that. Okay, then here, maybe like this. I wanna change it a little bit like this, and done. I think that is nice. Okay. Now come here. Yep. There we go here. Okay. Before I do that, I wanna go to the other one. Okay. Okay, you guys can just do it like this. But just pretend she put it like, no, Cinderella? Yeah, it's that. Okay. Now do the body. The body is gonna, not the body, the clothes will be different from the girl here because they are just best friends, they are not twins. Okay, maybe here also the same thing. Okay, come here and go here. Okay, it might seem like it's the same. Oops, I forgot one thing. It's supposed to be a jacket here. So here, yeah. See? Okay, then come here. Okay, I think that's. Oh, I forgotten. Maybe come here already. Then go up. Then that's how it goes. Yep. Go here. Stop. And the same way. Okay. And make sure your other sleeve is a bit like going to go with someone, like what do you call, like reaching someone's hand, because we are doing the best friend hole, right? So pretend this is a jacket. I'm just gonna do the cute heart here, maybe smiley face here. Oh, that looks like a angry face. Okay, I think that can. And maybe you can do this. Okay, I think I like that. Okay, now let's do the t-shirt. Okay, and then the skirt. Yeah, we'll finish it off before skirt. So wobbly wobbly wobbly. I like to do wobbly wobbly wobbly. It's very fun. Oops, what happened? I like to do wobbly wobbly wobbly. It's really fun to do it. Okay. Oh, I forgotten, guys. This shouldn't be. It should be like this. Oh, silly me. Okay. Okay. Then maybe we can just go here. Okay, maybe like this. Now let's just do here. No. No. No, this is so hard. This girls, I don't think it's hard for you, but well, okay, she's taller than this girl, okay? Don't judge. I'm not so good at it. But when I go on, you'll be good. Okay, I think this is a bit scary. Why is she an alien? Okay, I think that's maybe then just do this. Yeah, let's just do this. And now let's do the hardest part. I don't think it's the hardest part, but I think Okay, this is so... Okay, I think we did it too far, so let me just do this. Yeah, we did it too far, but there's the BFF. And maybe let's change the color. Put it... No. Friendship is love, right? So let's put this, okay? We are BFFs. Let's just... And name us. Because they don't have a name, they don't know what name. Oh my god, guys, I almost forgotten about that hair. Clumsy me. Okay, I almost finished it. Okay, maybe here, no ribbon. Okay, I think that's nice. I forgotten here also. Clumsy me. Okay, I think that's much it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below what did you learn so far. I mean, not learn so far. I mean, what else do you want me to draw? Bye. See you.